Where are we?
Where we are? We're at Gästlösa naturreservat outside Varberg. So we're sleeping here for tonight.
Yes.
Jimmy, you will have your first experience of a rooftop tent, right?
This will be my first time.
And
yes.
we will connect the Campstream, so you will not be freezing or getting sweaty or whatever. You will be fine with this.
I'm sure I will. Are you sure we are not gonna share the same tent?
We could if you want to, sure.
It's up to you. But if not,
we'll
you
see.
can. You are more than welcome to sleep over here.
Yeah. I might try this instead.
Sounds good.
Okay. Are you drinking liquor, beer?
Yeah. So a friend, Michael, in Germany, gave me a bottle of beer.
Oh, really?
We can share it.
Sure.
I don't know how much you drink. Maybe you drink a lot.
No, but I don't know.
Let me show you.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Munich.
Sure.
Yeah, we can share this.
We can share that.
I've been waiting for a special occasion.
Special occasion.
And thank you, Michael.
So tonight we take some goulash soup.
Goulash.
Felix goulash.
It's
It's premium soup.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Which color would you like? Let's go.
Yeah,
Ready to sleep?
try this bed. Yeah, but it's not a. It's just a summer sleeping bag. Oh, it's a new experience. But then you can close this from the inside, right?
You can use the touch screen, or
okay,
you can push the button and go in really fast.
I think that way.
Yeah, you need to go the other way.
Yeah.
Wait, are you sure you wanna put your head this way?
No, or maybe you can push it.
Yeah, if you close the gate, you got stuck.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm ready.
good night.
Good night.
So this is what it looks like inside. Just a normal rooftop tent, and it's my first time in a rooftop tent. It's very spacious. I can sit up pretty well. And then here is the van. I can certainly feel some air that's coming out, and it's warm. And there's a USB cable out here if you need to charge anything. So I think I'll set a timer here for 15 minutes and just lay back here and take a look at the temperature in a bit. Ooh, I like how spacious this is. Nice. The tent is so comfy right now. The Campstream air ventilation system that's coming from the Tesla HVAC really circulates the entire air that's in the tent. Normally, sleeping in a tent or in a confined space, condensation will really build up. But having a active airflow that's coming in from the vehicle does make the experience a lot better so far already. But I would be very curious in the next few hours if we have a bigger temperature difference. And it looks like it went up another degree. So I would assume it's functioning. So I'll report back in a couple of hours and then I'll check the temperature again. Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 hours.
2 hours, starting now.
Okay. Okay, see you guys in 2 hours. Okay, it's been 2 hours. It was so windy, the whole tent just kept shaking, but I'm so glad that it feels like the wind is now completely stopped. So that makes me feel a lot better. I just kept waking up. I wasn't really able to sleep. But let's see. Okay. Whoa, okay. Okay, that's a huge difference. Okay, it's on the bottom right. It's 16.7 degrees Celsius currently outside. And in here we have two temperature. The first one is the integrated sensor here, and that's showing 28.6 Celsius. And the bottom one here is 21.6. The bottom one is the one that's up here hanging there. Wow, that's a, I mean, that's a, how many degrees is this? 16, 4, 5 degrees. About 4 to 5 degrees difference. The tent itself is also holding the heat really well. There's almost no leak, very minimum. Good stuff. Going back to sleep now. So, see you guys in the morning. Good morning, Andres.
Hey, good morning.
Well, I slept mostly well.
Mostly well.
Yes.
So,
The temperature is perfect,
yeah.
except it was so windy last night. I was a little bit nervous in the beginning,
Yeah.
but then I think after 12 a.m.
Yeah.
the wind kind of like stopped mostly.
Yeah.
Got a lot calmer.
Could you see the temperature before you open up here? What was the temperature then?
Oh, I didn't see before I opened up, but I checked multiple times last night.
Mhm.
It was around 4. Oh, there's a big difference still.
Okay. Yeah. You
Yeah.
can see that.
There's about like
Yeah.
5 degrees.
Especially the humidity.
Oh yeah, the humidity is a huge
Yeah, that's a
difference.
big difference.
Yeah.
Okay, now the sensor is putting on the ground. So.
Milk from the freezer or
Yeah.
fridge.
That's awesome.
Oh, nice.
Some knäckebröd.
Oh, they are like crackers.
Yeah.
Wow. This is yours. This is butter?
It's butter, yes.
Oh, okay. It's not a fork. It's a knife too.
It's really far. It's actually the same distance this time. Thank you so much. And it was awesome to spend some time with you. Thank you, Andres. Thank you. Take care.
See you.